Hello everyone, my name is Bian Kangchun, and I prefer you to call my English name Wilson. So today I'm going to introduce my research concept, desulfurization process. So I think the first impact of chemical engineering in people's minds must be the tall chimneys and smokes that come out of them. After the first and second industrialization, machine has become a necessity of human. Both big machines or small machines need to consume energy. So where does energy come from? They are generated by burning fossil fuels or by utilizing some renewable energy such as wind energy or geothermal energy. Although fossil fuels are considered as an extremely harmful resource to our environment, but most of developing countries are still using lots of fossil fuels such as China and India, and the cost takes up a large percent. So here I will show you a line graph. This line graph illustrates the global coal demand by forecast 2000 to 2024. From this line graph, we can obviously find that the coal demand is still increasing generally. So in order to help us to cancel out the sulfur in the coal more, more perfectly, we need to know the composition of the coal. So let's look at the composition of the coal. The elements that make up the organic matter of the core mainly include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. In addition, there are very small amounts of like phosphorus, fluorine, and chlorine. So if we burn this core in the industrial tower or the boiler, harmful gases such as the carbon dioxide and the sulfur dioxide will be produced. They can The carbon dioxide will cause global warming, as you know, and the sulfur dioxide will cause like some environment changes such as the acid rains, which will harm our crops and our buildings. So there is a graph that shows the effects of the acid rain is terrible, right? So now let's talk about the desulfurization methods. The method of desulfurization can be divided into three parts by stages: pre-combustion desulfurization, in-combustion desulfurization, and post-combustion desulfurization, which is the flue gas desulfurization (FGD). That's what I'm going to talk about today. So as we know that the sulfur dioxide is an acid gas, so the materials that we choose must be alkali so that they can react with each other, and the sulfur dioxide will dissolve in the solvent, which we can change the gaseous sulfur dioxide into some solid product. The reaction taking place in wet scrubbing using a limestone slurry produces calcium sulfide. The gaseous sulfur is converted into solid. You may think that that is not enough, but actually calcium sulfide is used very little in the reality. To partially offset the cost of flue gas desulfurization installation, people oxidize the calcium sulfide further, and gypsum is produced. The gypsum are widely used in medical field and house decoration, so the factory can sell this gypsum to the business and make some profits from them. In addition, we can also add some other alkali products like hydrated lime slurry or the magnesium hydroxide slurry, and they can also react with each other, and the corresponding products can also be formed. So I hope today's topic can help you to expand your knowledge, and maybe you can learn some from my speakings. Thanks for listening. We will see you next time soon. Bye.